So probably what's happened is you're going to be out on a bike ride and you've got a flat tyre. So I've recreated this, let the air out of the tyre. Obviously you're not going to have a work stand with you, so the first thing you're going to have to do is to turn your bike upside down. So just resting it on the saddle and the handlebars. I've obviously picked off the controller, so that's not shoved into the mud at all. And then you're going to start wanting to work out how to remove the rear tyre. There's a couple of stages to get it done. It is pretty simple, but there's just a couple of bits you need to remember. So first bit is, in the back here, there's a cable for the Rohloff. It's tucked up into the frame up here. I don't know if you can see this, just bring it in a little closer. Hopefully you can see this, there's a cable just here. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to get that unplugged, and that just pulls apart. It's not easy. That's how uneasy it is, so it's quite a lot of hard work. You'll see on the plugs, once you've taken them apart, there's a little white arrow. It just shows you how to reconnect them the right way around so you don't damage any of the pins that are in there. So at that point you've released the Rohloff, so this part is now not connected to the frame at all. So the next stage is then to take the skewer out. Okay, we're on the other side of the bike now. So we've got the quick release skewer just sitting here. We're literally just gonna ease it off, and on the other side we're just going to hold the other end of it whilst we release this, just make it a little bit more loose. That's it. So there's a bit of movement in it. I haven't taken it all the way out, and now I'll be able to lift the tyre out. We're going to keep the belt on, so there's no need to do anything with the belt yet. It will come off in a minute, and this whole assembly here, which is the pre-tensioner, is going to come off at the same time. So here we go. When we get to this point, we just need to try and lift this belt off over the edge. Easiest way, probably just to push the wheel forwards, and then it will just drop off over the top. And that's it. So that's it. We've managed to remove the wheel. So it's separate now. So there's another video to watch that will tell you how to actually do the puncture, how to get the tyre off the rim, because it can be a little bit tricky. Yeah, so that's it. Have a click on the other videos that are probably sent through to you on an email, and give us a call if you've got any questions.